Hey fishie people, welcome back to the channel. Coming at you with another video today. This time we're going to be looking at an awesome food, the Fluval Bug Bite Color Enhancing Formula. This is the granule version here. It comes in granule and a flake form. Now the Fluval Bug Bite Color Enhancing Formula is of course part of the Bug Bite line of foods that come in flakes and pellets. They are designed around, bugs. All these foods have black soldier fly larvae in them as their primary ingredient, which will give your fish a nice kick of protein, but also something they'd be eating in the wild anyway in the form of insect larvae. This formula is a food that packs a high protein count compared to others and can be fed to pretty much anything you have. Personally, I feed these to my betta fish, my community tank, which is stocked with, several kinds of tetras, rasboras, corycats, two-spot catfish, a bunch of other stuff. I also give it to my wild bettas as well. Now, they are slightly bigger pellets, so you do have to do some digging, but once you get in there, you can find some that are good size for, betta fish and things of that nature. If you don't want to go through the hunting route, you could always, stick your food in a pepper mill and just grind it up like some other people have done in the past. So ingredient-wise, of course, we're looking at black soldier fly larva as the first ingredient, salmon, fish protein concentrate, wheat, potato, shrimp meal, and then various vitamin supplements along with other things packed into this food. Crude protein is a 45%, fat is 12.5%, fiber is 5%, and it's also got a calcium percentage of a 1.1%. I like the Bug Bite foods because they actually tell you how much calcium they have in their foods, which a lot of other foods don't do. Now, if you're a crazy fish food hoarder like me, I'm going to say pick this up to give yourself something different to try in your feeding regimen. You can give it to pretty much everything you have. The bottom dwellers will also like this, my corycats, because this stuff sinks pretty quick. So the fish you eat at the top level or mid-level, it's going to eventually all fall down to the bottom level. So your bottom feeders are going to get some of this too. The pellet's also not going to, flake apart or muck up your water at all. And honestly, your stuff's going to eat it so fast, it's not really going to have a time to deteriorate and give you a big ammonia spike. And before we wrap this up here, again, Fluval has a few things they like to say about their bug bites. They say the Fluval bug bites are specifically formulated to address the natural insect-based feeding habits of fish, providing essential nutrients that are vital to the growth and development. Bug bites are made through a unique and sustainable cultivation process. So Fluval actually has like a black soldier fly farm where they farm these black soldier fly and harvest the larvae and things to put in this food. So it is, in that sense, sustainable, whereas they're not going out into the nature and taking things. They are harvesting these bugs themselves for their food purposes. So I would highly recommend this food to anyone just looking to add something to their feeding regimen, spice things up a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and give these guys a 10 out of 10, just because I love it, and my fish seem to like it as well. As always, thank you all so much for the support on all the videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used the Fluval Bug Bite Enhancing Color formula here, either in flake or pellet form. I prefer it in either one. I don't notice any difference. Just I like the pellets because they'll sink a little bit faster than the flake, and my bottom feeders get some as well. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.